Hello, this paper is dedicated to the detailed theoretical analysis and design of LCL filters for transformerless PV inverters which use the unipolar PWM switching scheme. I am Dr. Subhan Mohammadian, presenting this paper, an assistant professor of electrical engineering at Dampan University. For low-power single-phase inverters, transformerless configurations are used in order to increase the converter efficiency by omitting the low-frequency transformer. Bipolar PWM is traditionally utilized in these types of converters since it introduces low ground current. However, recently proposed transformerless inverters tend to use unipolar PWM due to the increased converter efficiency. On the other hand, LCL filter is mandatory to reduce the harmonic content of the grid current, and there is not enough information in literature to design LCL filter when unipolar PWM is utilized in single-phase transformerless PV inverters. So in this paper, we propose a detailed designing procedure for LCL filters in these types of converters. For the design procedure, we first design the inverter side inductor based on the filter equivalent circuit and transfer functions to limit the inverter output harmonic components below 10%. For this purpose, we presented a simple and accurate procedure where the current harmonics resulting from the unipolar PWM are extracted first and then normalized to the dominant component through a factor such as X. X depends on the voltage harmonic frequency and its amplitude. Therefore, the sum of the RMS values of harmonic components is determined as a function of the dominant harmonic component. And in this way, the inverter side inductor is designed. For the grid side inductor, it is designed so that the grid injected current in harmonics are reduced below 20% of those of the inverter output current. Also, the value of the design capacitor must result in an almost filter zero reactance from the inverter viewpoint. Based on this theoretical analysis, we designed the LCL filter for a single-phase two-stage PV inverter. As you can see in this figure, it consists of the PV array, a DC-DC converter which controls the voltage, the output voltage and current of the PV array at its maximum power point, and also it is connected at its output to the single-phase H-bridge inverter which controls the voltage of the DC link and also injects the current to the grid. We have utilized the LCL filter in order to filter the harmonic components below the standard limits. We simulated the overall structure for different isolation levels. As you can see in this figure, the THD of the current, of the injected current to the grid is below the permissible range, and also for the rated grid current, which is around 4.5 amperes. It is below 5%, which complies with the standard limitations. As a conclusion, in this paper, an easy-to-follow LCL design procedure is presented based on the output harmonics of unipolar PWM method in single-phase PV inverters. The same material has not been provided in the literature so far. The simulation results confirm the accuracy of the proposed design procedure. Desirable working conditions such as a standard harmonic distortion, stable operation, and low reactive power consumption of LCL filter are achieved through the LCL filter. Thank you.